Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost someone else's Instagram story. So guys, here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and if you want to repost someone else's Instagram story, you have to be mentioned or tagged in someone else's Instagram story. If you have been mentioned, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So you can go to your Instagram direct message right here, then you can tap on the account who mentioned you. And this is the account who mentioned me in a story. We can tap on this account, then we can simply tap on add to your story right here to repost this Instagram story. Okay, wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. All right, and to get the full screen, you can tap on the photo like this. Then you can edit the story before you post it. You can add tags, sticker, or music. And after you're done editing the story, you can simply tap on your story right here to repost the Instagram story. Now let's just take a look at the result. So we can go to the Instagram story. Okay, and now the Instagram story has been reposted. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost someone else's Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.